So I should be careful.
I ask some question.
Mhm.
How can we enhance our English vocabulary, English? How can we enhance? Tell me some ideas.
Yeah, I give you very good idea. Okay. This is our first meeting, so I want to know about you.
Okay. My name is Manju Kusaria, and I am a teacher. And I am connecting with you from Chhattisgarh. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I have done my masters and B.Ed as well. And talk about my hobbies, so reading, writing, cooking, and gardening. These are my hobbies. And I am married, and I have two kids.
Mhm.
And that's all about me.
Wow, that's amazing. You are doing very fabulous job. Like you are a teacher, and as well you are mother, and means you are managing all things.
Yeah, it's my responsibility.
Yeah, and it's very difficult, like being mother and like you are teacher, so managing our house and school, everything. So yeah, it's hard work. You are doing very hard work. So
Yeah.
do you have YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have YouTube channel. I create YouTube channel, but I don't know how to upload a video there. So I can't upload anything there.
Okay, it's easy. You can search on YouTube, like first you download on a Skype, and the
Yeah,
second, if you want edit your video, so you can edit like any app. There are lots of app in short and kind master. Otherwise, if you not want edit, so you can upload on YouTube. In YouTube there are lots of video. If you search ki how to upload video on YouTube, so they are
yeah,
mentioned. Yes.
yeah. After
Okay.
some time, definitely I will try.
Okay.
So, ma'am,
Okay.
could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Prarthna Sharma, as you know, and I am married. I have two kids.
Yeah,
If I talk about my qualifications, so I had completed my graduation, and I am house manager. And yeah, these days I am learning this language, and I am a little bit YouTuber. My channel is totally based about English speaking, because when I started learning this language, that time I started my YouTube channel also. So yeah, that's all about me.
okay. I started YouTube channel. I create YouTube channel for learning purpose. I upload only English content there.
Okay, so you
But
have uploaded video there.
no, I don't. Not now, but after some time.
Okay, if you upload any video in a future, so you would like to upload like a conversational video. Okay, it's very good.
Yeah,
It's very good, because we are learning, and if anyone watch this video, so they get knowledge.
yeah,
So it's good for us,
yeah. It's very helpful for e- every person.
everyone. Yes.
Okay. So, ma'am, tell me, what is your purpose? Why are you learning this language?
Actually, I told many time to everyone, my only main purpose is teaching my kids, because mm, I want only give environment to my kids, because if I
Okay.
know English very well, so I give them environment very easily in home
Yes.
also. And you know very well ki these days most school in English language, so where like in school teacher teach in English, so
Yeah.
that time kids are not able to understand their voice. So that's purpose I started learning this language, ki I help my kids. Yeah.
Okay. English is very global language, and English is every field. English is anywhere in all field. So that is
Yeah,
why English is very important.
important. Yes. And yeah, that's why I am learning.
So, how long have you been learn this language?
I have been learning this language since on August, last 5 months. Uh,
Okay.
Actually, not particular time, because before last 4 month, I say कि I started main focus. I not script one day. I did practice every day. Yeah,
Oh, you means you may maintain your consistency.
consistency. Yes.
Okay.
So, do you have any topic to discuss?
Actually, ma'am, I have no idea.
You can ask. You have any question for me?
I am a beginner, so you can ask me some question for
I
check
am
my
also
English.
learner. Still I am learning this language. I try to if I try to learn lot of things to them. Like you're giving me all answer very good. So it means your English is very good. Don't say I am beginner. Who is beginner? They not able to slay. They started began their journey. So they are beginner. We are not a beginner. Okay. Okay, so I ask question. In your school, uh,
Yes.
like which subject do you teach?
I teach math subject and English also.
Oh my God! So and how standard student do you teach?
6 to 8 standard.
6 to 8. So they are include all. I think included all grammar six between 8.
Yeah, but I teach only 6 class in English subject.
Okay, only 6.
6 class.
Yeah. So do you talk with your children in English?
Yeah, definitely. I talk in English with sometime. When
Hmm.
I teach in English, that time I talk English with them
Okay.
in front of the class.
Okay. So do you government teacher? Yeah, do you teach private?
Yeah, I am a government teacher.
Oh my God. So I should be careful. I don't know why my video is blur and they are showing clean
Yeah,
because
now your face clean. Yeah.
okay. So you want to ask something, I think.
I ask some question.
Mhm.
How can we enhance our English vocabulary, English? How can we enhance? Tell me some ideas.
Yeah, I give you very good idea. Uh, enhance our vocabulary. Okay.
Yeah.
Speak part you only improve while speaking. How much how you can, so you speak better. So
Yes.
you make conversation lot, and for vocabulary, I give you one trick. Like in when we were like a child, that time we used to play one game, we Raja Chor Sipahi. Did you play that game?
Yeah, yeah,
we
I play.
we make cheat and we open. So
Yeah.
what we do, like if you want to enhance your vocabs, still these days I am using this trick, because you are teacher, so in class you have lots of kids, and in school, in your home you have a child. So like you write down first, you make lots of cheat, 25 30 cheats, okay? एंड यू
Okay.
राइट डाउन, आई टेल यू व्हाट यू राइट डाउन। लाइक जो चीजें आपको दिखती हैं सराउंडिंग, जो कुछ भी दिख रहा है, पर कॉटन दिख रहा है, गैस सिलेंडर दिख रहा है, वॉशिंग मशीन दिख रही है, कुछ भी दिखता है जो भी आपके सामने, उसकी सबका नाम लिख लिख के डाल दो उसमें, एक कुछ कटोरा सा बना लो कुछ भी, और आप उसमें डाल दो। इसके बाद फर्स्ट यू टेक वन चीट, मतलब जो भी जिसकी जिसकी टर्न रहे, वो करे, वो चिट ले, और उसके बारे में सेंटेंस बोले। एंड अगर आपके पास कोई नहीं है तो आप अपना फोन का कैमरा ऑन करो, और नहीं तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हो कि अगर आप अपने बच्चों के साथ वो कर रहे हो तो फोन का कैमरा ऑन करके और सब अपना अपना सेंटेंस बोलो, ओके?
Yeah.
आफ्टर दैट like after making your video, you start like you take one pencil and notebook, एंड यू स्टार्ट राइट डाउन कि वेयर यू डिड मिस्टेक, कि आपने कहाँ पे मिस्टेक करी, यहाँ पे क्या बोलना चाहिए था। तो ऐसे ऐसे करके ना आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो अपनी। These
Okay.
days I am doing this technique. One teacher, not teacher, he is a student, he told me this technique. And it's very useful technique. And we like while playing we learn lot of things. And like our kids, they every time say ki mama play with me, play with me, play with me. So this is very useful trick and game also.
Okay. It is very useful trick for me. I am apply my in my school. This.
Yes, with your student, and in your home also, like you have kids, so in your home you can apply.
Yeah.
Yes. So you want to say something for me? Actually, video recording is very long, so first I stop recording, then we talk. Okay? कि वो
Okay.
बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है फिर